This tutorial review will show you how to set contact photo in iOS 17. Follow these easy steps to set up your contact photo or contact poster. First of all, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down. Then tap on Messages. Tap on Share Name and Photo. Enable name and photo sharing. And then tap on Edit. And to create a new contact photo or contact poster, tap on this blue plus icon. And now you can create a new contact photo using your photos by tapping here. Select the photo. You can crop the photo like this. Tap on Choose. You can select an effect from here and tap on Next. Tap on Update. Tap on Add. And now let's make a contact photo using Momoji. Again, tap on Edit and tap on this blue plus icon. And now select Momoji. And you can select any Momoji from this list, or you can customize your own Momoji by tapping on this blue plus icon. Select here your skin tone and customize your Momoji according to your requirements. Once done, tap on Done. Select your Momoji sticker from here. Tap on Next. Tap on Choose. Select a background. Tap on Next. Tap on Done. So this is how we can set contact photo on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Tutorial River. See you in the next video.